This is buckle down page 140, lesson practice part 2. We will do number 1, 2, 3, 4 together as extra practice. What is the value of the expression 56 divided by 8 minus x when x is equal to 1? So we have 56 divided by 8 minus x, and x is equal to 1. So you're going to place 1 where you see x, and you're going to solve this. According to order of operation, you need to do parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Keep in mind, between multiplication and division, you do whichever one you see first. Same thing with addition and subtraction, you do whichever one you see first. Alright, we have division and subtraction, so we need to do division first. 56 divided by 8 is 7. Copy down the ones you have not used yet. 7 minus 1 is 6. Choice B. Number 2, which is a true statement. 428 minus x is equal to 380 when x is equal to 43. I'm going to start from choice D because I know the last digit has to be 0. So if I subtract 48 from this number, I know last digit is going to be 0. Let's see if that works out. So I need to solve 428 minus x, which is 48. Let's check and see if that is 380. 428 minus 48. There'll be 0. We need to borrow, so this becomes 12. That's 8. That's 3. Yes, that's 380. So this is a true statement. Number 3, which is not a true statement. So let's see. I'm going to start from choice D because this doesn't look right to me. Let's plug it in. 293 plus 55 is greater than 349. 293 plus 55, there'll be 8. That's 14, carry 1. So you have 348 is greater than 349. That is not true. That is false. So this is the one that we're looking for. Number 4. What is the value of the expression 72 divided by 9 minus x when x is equal to 8? Alright, so we have 72 divided by 9 minus 8. By following order of operations, we need to do division first. 72 divided by 9 is 8. Copy down the ones you have not used yet. 8 minus 8 is 0. So it is choice A. Thanks.